Get excited about the 2016 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, speed-sensitive wipers, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.